Want to control how your tickets are purchased on Ticmint? Let's learn how to use purchase rules. First, log into your Ticmint dashboard. Go to All Events, select your event, click on the three-dot menu, and click on Edit button. Now navigate to Ticket Settings from the left-hand side feature bar. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Purchase Rules. This is where you can control how tickets are selected. Click on Add Purchase Rule to create a new rule for your tickets. Let's say you want to allow kids tickets only when an adult ticket is selected. Choose Kids Pass, then select Requires another ticket, and link it to Adult Pass. Save the rule. Now, on the Explore page, users will see a message saying Add Adult Pass to add this ticket. This prevents invalid bookings. Now let's create a ratio rule. Select Kids Pass, choose Quantity Ratio, and set it to 2 adult tickets for every 1 kid's ticket. Then save. This means users must select 2 adult tickets before they can add 1 kid's ticket. All these rules are automatically applied on the Explore page. Users are guided in real time, ensuring only valid ticket combinations can be selected. With purchase rules in Ticmint, you can easily control ticket logic and improve your booking experience. That's all for now.
If you have any questions, reach out to support@ticmint.com.